Hi, it's Liz from Sew4Home. Now you might wonder why I'm wearing a summery outfit while sitting next to a Christmas tree. It's my motivation to start my gift and decor sewing early. If I start stitching now, maybe, just maybe, this is the year I can finish before Christmas Eve. Additional motivation comes in the form of our Festive Patchwork block. This beautiful 18-inch block is designed to stand alone as a placemat, to duplicate in a row as a runner, or to build into a square as the centerpiece of a tablecloth. Now we chose the runner option, bringing together 3 blocks for a finish at 18 by 54. Thanks to a sponsorship from our friends at Janome America, the instructions are free. And those instructions are very detailed, so even if you're brand new to patchwork, you can do this. There is a standard 9-patch center, surrounded by 2 traditional corner block frames with a double fabric border frame to finish it off. Of course, any project benefits from precise stitching, but in patchwork, it's critical. Which is another reason we send our thanks to Janome for providing the machines that make that precision possible across the feeding system, the seam allowances, the stitch settings, and so much more. You know, what it really comes down to for me with Janome is knowing I don't have to worry about the performance of my machine. I can concentrate on my own creativity. So I believe that is thanks number 3 to Janome. When you look closely at this block, you'll see that we used 4 prints along with a coordinating neutral solid, which is also what we use for the backing. And then a 5th print becomes the binding. We combined 2 2025 holiday collections from FreeSpirit Fabrics. We're using Holiday by Martha Negley and 12 Days of Christmas by Corey Dantini. Because midsummer is traditionally when fabric manufacturers debut their holiday collections. And even if you aren't starting your holiday sewing right away, you should shop right away to make sure you can find the best selection. Things can sell out quickly. All the fabrics are broken out within the instructions, so it's really easy to follow along using these exact prints or your own selections. And then we broke out the steps and the cut instructions for one 18-inch block. You can simply multiply these yardages to figure out the amounts required for multiple placemats or a runner like we did, or a tablecloth. Although we did do the math for you so that you know the amount of binding and backing we used for our runner sample. So if the closest to sleigh bells you're hearing right now is the sound of the ice cream truck circling the park, just remember the holidays will be here sooner than you think, and starting early means finishing early. Our festive square patchwork block is available now, free to you, at Sew4Home. Thanks for listening, and happy sewing!